Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Sailor Project. My name is Katran Galema. I'm a liveaboard, independent working naval architect and I've started to design some sailing trading ships for the future. Welcome to this project. Today we're going to talk about the basic design stage. So what is the basic design stage? Well, in the basic design stage we basically draw all the parts of the boat and calculate things in more detail just to check whether it's going to work, if it's buildable, and provide enough information for the shipyard to be able to provide a solid quotation, and for a classification society to approve the design for production. All right, so let's have a look at the scope. So in this list of deliverable documents which I set up for the Trade Sailor 300, I indicated all the drawings that I'm planning on making for this project, and I also gave myself a little bit of a planning, which due to a bit of extra work I've got at the moment, I'm a bit behind on, but that's okay. We're not having to deliver anything in a specific time. So I'll go through all the drawings. I've got a list of general drawings, which are mainly the naval architectural drawings. So we've got the general arrangement, safety plan, sail plan, some hull lines, tonnage plan and draft marks, a rigging plan. And then we've got a VPP and power and range calculation, preliminary stability report, and the build specification. And as you can see, I already started with the build specification, and the hull lines are finished. And I'm busy currently with the rigging plan, which is my first time I'm doing a full rig calculation. So it doesn't go very fast, but it's very interesting. For construction, we've got a general construction plan. It basically shows the whole construction of the boat in scantlings. We've got a weight schedule, chain plates, a weld schedule, sorry, chain plates, a scupper plan, rudder and stock, anchor arrangement, and a mooring plan. Then further we've got the mechanical drawings. I've got the freshwater diagram, builds, and then the firefighting diagram, ballast water diagram, waste diagram, shaft line, engine room layout, optional generator layout. This is discussed a little bit later. Mechanical components list. So they've got all the bits in it and refers back to the drawings. So you get one big list with all the components I selected for this project. Then we've got outfitting, deck arrangement, all the winches, etc. Window porthole plan, door and hatch plan, railing arrangement, and antenna layout. And we've got a bridge layout, a galley, crew, mess layout for interior, a lower deck layout, and interior details. And then for electrical, we've got a load balance calculation. So basically calculate all the delivered loads, the created loads, the created power, and the required loads for different navigational circumstances, such as navigating at anchor, navigating at night, etc. We've got a single line diagram that basically shows all the electrical components all connected together with single lines. So basically a layout, not a wiring diagram, but a single line. And electrical components list. So that's all the deliverables I want to make for this project. As you can see, we're a bit behind, week 15 at the moment, week 16 coming up. So I've got a bit of a gap. I need to readjust this planning, but that's okay. But that's my plan. So that's all the drawings we're going to do in this in the basic design stage, and that's more than enough for a shipyard to give a solid quote. All right, let's have a look at the current 3D model. So let's have a look at the 3D model. I've done a few improvements after a solid discussion with a friend of mine, Melle Boersma. Thanks, Melle, for the input. We had a look at my model, and also gave me a few pointers. Yes, what we improve? First, a big change is the deck house. I've styled the deck house a little bit more modern. The old one was very, very classic styling, so came to a styling which is a bit more up to date. What I want to do still is the portholes. I want to style this a bit more, but at least this looks a lot, for me, a lot better already. Still a single plate, so it's still easy to build. No real forming other than the curvatures, which can be done under a press. And we added the bowsprit, which is a big one. This to give like a big Genoa or a Cotero, Jenneker, maybe a little bit of distance, and that's something to tie onto. So these are the two main changes. And further, we've been busy with different interior layout options, etc. So, but that's for the next time when we do the interior. So that's the 3D model as it stands at the moment. Let me know what you think. So that's the end of this week's episode on the the basic design stage. Next week, I want to start about rig and the sail plan. So if you got any comments, any ideas or any input, please let me know. I'm currently busy with calculating the mast and the rigging. So yes, if you got any ideas of affordable way to build a mast, especially for less developed countries, also please provide me input. If you got any other comments, I'm always happy to hear them. So yes, looking forward to your comments under this video. All right, hope to see you next time. Bye.